This video I'd like to introduce a new product. It's called Security Umbrella. Check it out at securityumbrella.com. Check the link in the description section of this video. It'll lead you to the product. If you type in this discount code, my name, Freddie, just F-R-E-D-D-I-E, you'll get 20% off. This umbrella is a special umbrella for self-defense. I call it the Kung Fu umbrella for this school. It's built with a super strong rod in between that makes it pretty much almost indestructible. So this right here is a very deadly point right here that you can use to strike the offender. It comes with this pack, this carrying case right here, and you can just put it over you like this and carry it around. Okay, so you can carry it around like this. You can use it as an umbrella and also as a weapon to defend yourself. The nice thing about this is that you can't get in trouble with the law for this because it is an umbrella. It's just built very sturdy and very strong, so it can be used for self-defense. I'll show you how it works. You take this cover off, you can unbutton it here and just press this button. It'll shoot out to be an umbrella. When it rains outside, then you have a really neat umbrella to use. Put it back together. I'll let you look to the inside real quick. This rod is built super strong. If you look, I'm trying to bend the rod. I can't bend the rod. Put it back together. And basically, if for some reason somebody attacks you on the streets, you could use this to defend yourself as if you're using a baton. Even if I have a stick right here, I train with this stick. This umbrella has even more range than the stick. So this is a very deadly weapon that you can use out there in the streets. I'll demonstrate right here on the bob. So it's a very sturdy umbrella. I talked to the makers of it. They also offer a lifetime warranty. So if something happens to the umbrella and it breaks for whatever reason, just contact them and they'll take care of that. But you see how I struck the bob with a lot of force, and the umbrella is still intact. It still works just fine. I can put it back together and it's just like that. Okay, so this definitely is a good product to use. In case something happens out there, you can defend yourself. And like I said, what I love about it is that the police can't bother you about having this as a weapon. This is actually an umbrella, it's not a weapon. So that's the nice thing about having this. This coupled with a knife is great for self-defense out there. For the people that don't like to carry around guns, this is probably one of the best weapons out there that you could use to defend yourself. Because even if somebody pulled a knife out on you, you could defend yourself with this umbrella against that knife attacker. Even if somebody had a stick, you could still beat them out with this. So basically, check the description below. You get that 20% off like I stated if you type in that discount code Freddie. Another thing that I'm willing to offer is for the people that actually buy the umbrella, if you show me your receipt, just email me your receipt, and I can give you access to a private training video to show you how to use this to defend yourself, some basic techniques that you could work on. If basically somebody tries to attack you, some things that you could do to use, some techniques that you can use to defend yourself with this. And this is definitely something that I highly recommend. I look forward to carrying this around out there with me and using this as a self-defense tool.